Welcome to this presentation of the Secure Your Home Door Locking System. This is a home invasion without the Secure Your Home Door Locking Unit. This is a home invasion with the Secure Your Home Door Locking System. These occurrences led us, with the help of a veteran police officer, to develop this door locking system. Statistics show 70% of all homes broken into, access is through the front or side door. Are you really safe once your door is locked? Protecting your home and family from criminal intrusion should be a high priority. Intrusions while you're away or even in your home. When the existing deadbolt is locked, to drop the steel bar into your floor, it is one simple action. Just lower the pin to the bottom position. That's it. Now your door is double locked. The deadbolt is engaged in your door frame and the steel bolt tightly secured into the floor track. When there's a knock at your door or the doorbell rings, you go to the door and turn the upper knob to the right. That unlocks the deadbolt and raises the steel bar into the floor track. This allows the door open enough for you to see who is there and preventing any unwanted entry. The door cannot be forced from the outside beyond its less than 3-inch opening. The steel rod cannot be lifted from its track while the door is open because of the flared design on the lower end of the rod. If it's an intruder, you can leave the door in the sliding position and call 911 for help. The intruder cannot get into your home while you wait for help to arrive. Assuming it's a welcome visitor, to allow entry you must close the door completely. Raise the pin latch to the upper position, which disengages the steel rod from its track, and the door will open fully. The unique Secure Your Home locking system also allows you to double bolt lock your home while you are out. By turning your house key, the deadbolt has engaged into the door frame and the steel rod into the floor track inside. Double locking protection. Now, your home is even more secure while you are out.